Hello, my name is Eduardo Insunza. I am RF Test Business Development Lead for Viavi Solutions, and today we're going to cover OneAdvisor. OneAdvisor is a portable test tool that brings unprecedented simplicity, speed, and accuracy for cell-site deployment and maintenance. OneAdvisor combines fiber inspection and validation, cable and antenna analysis, and over-the-air tests with spectrum and interference analysis. All tests can be conducted with workflow automation, bringing built-in guidance, automatic configurations, pass-fail results, and a single report package ready for closeout. OneAdvisor has been designed as a modular architecture. It's equipped with a battery compartment for portable testing. On its mainframe, it contains the management ports, including local storage, connectivity for either local or remote access, as well as the power and USB, as well as it contains internal Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability. Different modules can be connected on the back to have the fiber or cable and antenna connectivity, as well as the inclusion of a spectrum analyzer module with SFP and RF port. For cell-site deployments, OneAdvisor is equipped for all the infrastructure type of tests on cables, including fiber and coax. For cell-site maintenance, OneAdvisor is equipped with spectrum analysis as well as also the ability to test fiber and cable. OneAdvisor test applications include for cell-site deployment, cable and antenna analysis, as well as fiber inspection and fiber verification. For fiber inspection is simply using the USB connectivity module to conduct fiber tests, inspection, as well as validation with OTDR testing. For cable and antenna testing, is used the cable and antenna analyzer module, which we can perform an easy calibration. That is an electronic calibration, which is going to be performing the open short load sequence automatically. When the calibration is completed, then the instrument is ready to conduct reflection tests with cables, as well as antenna setups. For more information about different test applications, please continue watching the video list. OneAdvisor contains workflow automation. Workflow automation includes StrataSync, Viavi's cloud service offering, with which different configurations can be downloaded as well as results can be uploaded in real time. Job Manager, which is the ability to conduct self-guided tests for shell technicians. And Smart Access Anywhere, allowing experts to have remote connectivity into the unit to help technicians perform tests. For cell deployments, OneAdvisor contains different accessories, including optical power meter, fiber scopes, fiber check, fiber jumper cables, and different modules on the OTDR. For cable and antenna testing, we have RF jumper cables, open short load calibration kits, and different adapters to adapt from different connector types. For cell-site maintenance and to conduct over-the-air measurements, OneAdvisor has different antenna types for either over-the-air test in a static testing situation, directional antennas, as well as omni antennas for drive test or walk testing. For transportation, additional soft-carrying cases are available, including backpacks and hard-carrying cases. Thanks for watching. For additional information, please visit viavisolutions.com or continue watching the specific tests on the video list.